Good afternoon, everyone. Just came back from my walk around the block. Ang ganda ng panahon, not many clouds. Temperature is 18 degrees. It's springtime here in Melbourne, Australia. Ito yung aking rose garden na pabayaan ko na po. Meron akong red roses na may perfume. Yan, tumaas na, hindi na natitrim. And then meron akong pink and white. Namatay na yung dalawa kasi hindi na didiligan. Hindi na ako masyadong mahilig mag-garden ngayon kasi alam niyo na, busy ngayon sa pag-vlog at pag-i-edit. So that's life, diba? That's life. So anyway, I hope everyone is okay. Look after yourself. Magkaisa, magkaunawaan at magtulungan po tayong lahat. Patuloy lang po tayo sa ating pag-charity. Yun lang naman, wala nang issue. So sana po kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayang lahat. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you for